to this video. In this video we will learn about application software. So let us see what are application software first. An application software is a set of programs that necessary to carry out operations for a specified application, and there are four types of application software. First one is called package, then utility, then customized software, and finally developer tools. And now let us see, an application software is a set of programs. So basically application software क्या है? It is a set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified application. किसी specified application के लिए जो जरूरी आपके operations होते हैं उनको कैरी आउट करने के लिए जिन सॉफ्टवेयर्स की ज़रूरत होती है, वो जिन प्रोग्राम्स की ज़रूरत होती है, उनको एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम कहते हैं. जैसे आपका MS ऑफिस है, तो MS ऑफिस इज़ अ पैकेज दैट कंटेन्स 4 एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स. For example, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and MS Excel. So these are the software programs, the programs which are meant to carry out operations for a specified application. For example, Word is used for carrying out the operation related to a document or documentation. For example, suppose you are supposed to make biodata, or you have to create some article, so or you want to write an application. So all these types of operations can be performed in MS Word. Similarly, if you want to make some presentation, for that you can use PowerPoint presentation package. So this is the concept of application software. Now let us see what is a package. The general software that are designed to be used by individual users in manner it suits their needs and requirements. Such general application softwares are known as packages. Packages क्या होते हैं? ये general softwares हैं that are designed to be used by individual users in the manner it suits their need. Now let us see one example. Word processing software जो होते हैं, जैसे MS Word है, उसको a particular user can use this word processing software, for example MS Word, to write an application. At the same time, some other user can use it for making an article. At the same time, some other user can use it for some other purpose. So the same software is being used by different type of users, or you can say individual users, in the manner it suits their requirements. So such general softwares are known as packages. And examples are word processing software, spreadsheets means MS Excel, database management system such as MySQL, desktop publishing software and also known as DTP. These are the softwares which allows us to create documents that contain some material for publishing, such as newspapers, graphic media and presentation application, for example PowerPoint. The next is utilities. Utilities are those application programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping functions like backing up disk or scanning, cleaning, viruses, etc. तो ये इस तरह के एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम है जो हमें कंप्यूटर के अंदर हाउसकीपिंग फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करने में हेल्प करते हैं. जैसे कि आपका सिस्टम स्कैन करना है, अपने वायरसेस को क्लीन करना है, बैक करना है, सिस्टम को कंप्रेस करना है. ऑल दीज आर called utility software. Some of the examples are text editor. This utility program is used to creating and editing text files, such as for example, there is one package, one program or application in MS Window called Write, in which you can simply, or Notepad, in which you can simply type text and you can later on you can edit that text. Backup utility. This program facilitates backing up of disk. Backing up means duplicating disk information. Sometimes it is required that you want to take a backup of your work or your data from your computer. So in that case, this backup utility helps you to do that task. Compression utility. Compression utility help us to compress large files into a format that takes less storage area. Sometimes suppose you have some content and you want to send those contents to some of your friends. So if the files are too large, you can compress them using some compression utility like WinZip, etc., so that the file can be converted into a format that takes less area, storage area in your computer. Then we have disk defragmenter. A file is fragmented when it becomes too large for our computer to store in a single location on a disk. देखिए, जब हम फाइल को फर्स्ट टाइम क्रिएट करते हैं तो इट इज स्टोर्ड एट अ सिंगल लोकेशन in your computer, but suppose next day you again open that file and you have added some other content to this file, then the file becomes large, and repeating this task for several times, there may be a situation that the file could not be saved at the same location again. Then this file is splits. Then our computer splits the file and stores it in pieces on different locations. When this happens, this is called fragmentation. And when we use these fragmented files, it take more times to access such files. तो इस तरह की फाइल्स को जब हम एक्सेस करते हैं, ऐसी फाइल जो फ्रेगमेंटेड फॉर्म में हो, फ्रेगमेंटेड फॉर्म मीन्स फाइल एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे स्टोर ना होके मल्टीपल लोकेशंस पे स्टोर हो, तो ऐसी फाइल्स को जब हम एक्सेस करते हैं तो इट टेक्स मोर टाइम. सो the efficiency of your computer or performance of your computer becomes poor. In that case, the disk defragmenter utility speeds up disk access by rearranging the files and free space on our computer so that files are stored on one single space or continuous block. तो डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटर एक ऐसी यूटिलिटी है जो हमारे फाइल को एक्सेस करने की स्पीड को इंक्रीज कर देता है. और ये कैसे करता है? बाय रीअरेंजिंग द फाइल्स एंड फ्री स्पेस ऑन योर कंप्यूटर. इस तरह से हम फाइल और फ्री स्पेस को अपने कंप्यूटर के ऊपर रीअरेंज करते हैं सो दैट द फाइल्स आर स्टोर्ड एट वन सिंगल लोकेशन. देन वी हैव एंटीवायरस. दिस डिस्क defragmenter is an important terms and it may be asked in your exams more frequently. Antivirus. A computer virus is a malicious program that disrupts normal functioning of a computer. कंप्यूटर वायरस क्या है? ये एक इस तरह का प्रोग्राम है जो आपके सिस्टम्स या कंप्यूटर की नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग को डिस्टर्ब कर देता है. An antivirus software scans your computer for viruses and removes them if any virus is found. तो एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर होता है जो आपके सिस्टम को एक प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. वो क्या करता है? आपके सिस्टम में जितने भी वायरस होते हैं आपके सिस्टम को स्कैन करता है, और अगर कोई भी वायरस उसको मिलता है तो उस वायरस को हटा देता है आपके सिस्टम से. Then we have business softwares and software libraries. A business software is a software to meet the general requirement of a business. For example, a company wants to computerize its accounts department. There are many ready-made business softwares. For example, inventory management software, payroll system, finance, accounting, hotel management, etc. So business software basically किसी भी कंपनी के जो बिजनेस है उसको कंप्यूटराइज्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने में या रिप्लेस करने में आपको हेल्प करती है. सॉफ्टवेयर लाइब्रेरीज क्या होती हैं? इट इज अ प्री डिफाइंड एंड अवेलेबल टू यूज suite of data and programming code in the form of pre-written code, functions, scripts, etc. that can be used in development of new software programs and application. तो सॉफ्टवेयर लाइब्रेरीज बेसिकली इस तरह का एक आपका समझ लीजिए बैंक है जहाँ पे आपके पहले से ही प्री रिटन कोड्स होते हैं, फंक्शंस होते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट्स होते हैं जो पहले से टेस्टेड होते हैं, राइट? और उनको हम उस प्रोग्राम के अंदर कोई नया सॉफ्टवेयर या नया एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करने के लिए हम डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं. So that's all about this video. Hope you understand all the terms. Thank you very much.